Hello friend, I welcome you to my channel Laser Graphics and Multimedia, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how you can create a 3D simple text effect using your corelDRAW. All you have to do is to make sure you watch. But before I get to the tutorial started, if you are very new to this channel, please remember to subscribe, turn on the notification bell so whenever I upload content about corelDRAW you get notified. And lastly but not the least, if you have any question as far as this tutorial is concerned, you can put your question in the comment section down below. So let's dive into the tutorial and see how you can create a simple 3D text effect using your corelDRAW. So let's begin. Control plus okay. So we have to go to our type tool right here. Select your type tool. Then we make a type 3D. Okay. So we can change the font size. You can increase the font size. You can come to the top here and increase the font size to let's try see 50%. And we can change the font type also. So let's see. So I'm making use of this font style right here. Okay, so we can make it more bold. Then we can press P to centralize, and then Control plus to zoom out. Now we can change this stroke color. We can remove the stroke by remove the fill by clicking on here. Then we right click to apply the stroke color. Now right here we need to make use of our pen tools, but before that we can lock this object. We can lock this text. So right click and make sure you lock. Okay, we have locked this text. So the next thing we have to do is to select our pen tools right here. So you go back to your type tool and toolbar, select your pen tools. So when you select your pen tools, you just need to trace just trace based on the shape, right? I'm not comfortable with that. Okay, let me make it to this place. Then Control to cut. So we can select our shape tools, right click here and apply curve. So we just need to make curve here. Okay, so this is very much perfect as it is. So the next thing we have to do is to create this letter D with our pen tools. Okay, so we have to go back to our pen tools now, and we can start all over from here. So this depends on how best you know how you can use your pen tools. So okay, so hotkey and cut it here. Then we have to close the part at the top here. Sorry. And we have to close the part here. So we go back to pen tools and we make curve like this. Okay. Then close. So now we have to go back to our shape tools again, and we just have to adjust some stuff. So with our shape tools, we should be able to adjust some of the area. Sorry. Okay, so the next thing we can do here is to select the 3D and right click on it and choose unlocked. Then we can delete it now. So we have our 3D right here. So shift key and select this, then E to align. Okay, so the next step we have to take now is to go back to our toolbar right here, select your circle, and press Ctrl E down and hold down to create a perfect circle. So this one right here, you can fill it with whatever color of your choice. So I'm using the deep blue. Then you can make a duplicate of this, Ctrl key down and drag and make a copy. Okay, you can change this color to let me choose sky blue. Okay, sorry about that. I'm using sky blue. All right, with that, we can select the tool now, press Shift key and select the blue shape. Then you can come to your toolbar and make sure you choose blend tools. So when you choose your blend tools, you have to blend them all together. Boom. Then you make sure you come to the toolbar bar right here and make sure you change this to 980. So with that, you are able to create a flat blending. So the next thing you have to do is to come to the toolbar here and work with your blend property. Make sure you choose new part. So having choose your new part, you have to come here and click on this. Okay, now you're going to have stuff like this. Sorry, Control Z, Control Z, Control Z. We have to make a duplicate of this. Control D. So we just need to make a duplicate for this particular one. So right here we have to select this and select this. Then we go back to our blend tools and make sure this is 980. Okay, then you have to blend now. Okay, so we have to come back here again and make sure we click on here and make sure you choose new part. With that, you can just come here and make sure you click on here. It blends to this object from the bottom. Then you have to come here again. Make sure you click on here and make sure you choose blend along full path. With that, you are going to have stuff like this. So you are done with that. So let's fall back to the letter D. So the first thing first is to make sure you blend them together, just like the way we did the first one. So you can click on here and shift key and select this. Make sure you choose your blend tools and make sure you are still maintaining the same figure size of the ratio. And then come here and blend. Boom. Then you have to come here again, new part. And make sure you blend it right here. Or better still, you can blend it from the bottom. Blend. Then new parts. From here, new part. You can blend it from the bottom. Okay, so you have to come here again. You have to choose here. Make sure blend full path. So you are going to have things like this. So with that, you can easily change the style if you would like to change the style. Just play around with all these things right here. So you can play around with the color from the top right here and shift key and E. Then control minus to zoom in. Control minus to zoom in. Then you can group them all together. So guys, this is how you can create a 3D simple 3D using simple 3D in text effects using your corelDRAW. I hope you guys find value for this video. If you enjoyed this video, give this video a big thumb up and also don't forget to subscribe for more tutorial. Thanks for watching. I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.